Umundri rang ba ka jelau konrut ke sangma uloang ba ka jingkhang yo khang han barkhang ki kali bania ya ka arpoi tereng mentau banai kamde setia ka jingkhang wan pindu noi ki pait ba hindre gade shibenta wan pin sngo thu ye ki halo ka ni ka jingpang ka bla sapriang keleng ukonrut uloang ba ya ka ni ka singi ka bas dang na du ka shiteng miet ka ta ka khat ar ba je jo ka arpo tereng hadu ka arpoi tereng shiteng miet lapin bana kum ka anti coronavirus awareness day ka jingthmu je ka ni ka long ba baro ki pait ba ken sange alud iki kam ki jam jong ki tang shisngi hindai ban phai bet pele jingmut kumnu ban yada na ka ni ka jingpang bar kham tam e ban ye trailang bar ka sarkar kumnu ban yada na ka ni ka jingpang.
We are actually doing this to create awareness. A lot of people feel that it's a lockdown and why is the government doing this? I want to tell the citizens of our state it is absolutely not a lockdown. We are in fact calling tomorrow Coronavirus Awareness Day. So the idea is that let us all leave everything and let us all focus and give our attention to what this is and try to ensure that we educate our children, educate our family members, educate our locality, and really find ways and means to ensure that simple awareness programs like washing your hands properly, maintaining hygiene, maintaining social distancing, and maintaining, not going to crowded places. I think this kind of awareness needs to be given. A lot of people are aware, but sadly, a lot of people still are not aware. I think people are not taking enough measures to be careful, and we felt that one day, if we close down everything, I think it would send that seriousness message to everybody. At the same time, I would like to tell people it's not something one should panic. In a situation like this, as I said, very, very simple steps can be very, very important. And therefore, as I said, all the measures that I mentioned to you earlier, if those are followed, I think a lot of the spread of the virus can be neutralized by simply stopping the transmission chain.
This is important, you better listen. This is about me and you. Not meant to scare us, meant to prepare us. Safety all the way through. Habangi sindra, habangi jirhom, sumai balay niti. Kya ka kublay ki jaka pat pa, chinyada ken yiki. Corona out, we are on top. No place for you here. Corona stop.
Sat mức khang răng khô, an chân đang thắp chana. Chu ong nghe nếp thạc rừng na, chỉ khô ba bạc nghe rừng na. Bena nam ni ko ra ba gapa, cha ni rang ko cha ram thok na. Iya nam gapa be wal rangan, achin ko nal joke rakhi gen.
Wash hands with soap for at least 20 seconds, as many times daily. Meet with the doctor if there's sore throat or fever or breathing difficulty.
Kerana kakta khmut kenno katrut khmat thia no khambun kenta di khambun ka ki jing bamba te kita ken kin yada.
Corona out, we are on top. No place for you here. Corona stop.
Gusu oba, aching oba, ja drink jana, an
jimpang Dalay lay pin ham yap namar badan bun ki jing sumar babyang.
If you have the symptoms, think of the others, report immediately. Self-isolation is the solution for all of you and for me.